Today in this video, I will talk about a feature that most of us, I guarantee, is not aware of. And the option that today I am going to talk about is known as head tracking or eye tracking. In order to explore that, you need to open your setting and then go to accessibility. Now here you're going to see something known as eye tracking. So let's tap on it, and now here you need to enable it. Now you need to click on yes, and then here you need to face your camera. Now here what we need to do is we need to bring our face nearby this box, and then it will ask us to follow the dot as I move around. So this basically is calibrating it. So you just need to follow the dots. Once done, you will see that you will able to track things based using your eye movement only. Now let me actually close this, and I will try to do that with my eyes. And there you go. I was able to close this using my eyes. Now this one was very tricky. There is another option known as head tracking. So let's tap on it, and if I click here, I am seeing a very similar kind of option here. Now let me actually go back, and let me actually close this. By the way, it is very gimmicky. So yes, in a way, these options exist in your accessibility. They might have a little bit longer learning curve, so that is why I was not able to control it consistently. But here, these are some special cases, and really, playing with device with simply iris or head movement looks futuristic. So what do you think about these features? Do let us know in comment down below, and subscribe to iPad Essentials for more such videos, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, you take care and bye bye.